side though, okay? There you go.
Well, we're gonna try to put 7. Try to put 7 in there. It's all right to get in there.
Alright.
Alright, come on up, bud. So far, right on left hand.
Right there. Let's untighten your shoulder and then cheek there and then lean forward. Lean forward like you see SWAT team do. Whenever you're ready. There you go. Nice.
There you go. Just like that. Perfect.
You're doing good, buddy. Very nice. Alright, same thing. Try putting the dot a little bit lower though. Maybe in between his two pockets. That's it, whenever you're ready. There you go. Do your stance like you did earlier. Very nice, nicely done. Do you want to grab your plain black target? Switch them out for the shotgun?
What's really nice about the red and the red on the white shirts, you get those powder.
Yeah, if you would grab your other target.
Swap me out. Next one, the hat. So, 44 on this. 5 shots. Alright. So, 100 target.
Very nice. Was that your first time shooting?
Yeah, it's never.
Oh wow, you did good, man. Very nicely done. So I only need one of them. So if you want to hand one
okay.
back to your dad as well, or add it to the pile.
Alright, so I can do it with the hammer forward. And it's a lot harder to pull. So, really want to make sure you get all 5 shots on there. Drop that back. Once that hammer's locked back, the trigger, very light squeeze. Make sure you keep it away from that trigger. Try to pull it back. 5 shots. All of it up here.
All right. So make sure you lean into this one. All right. Keep it tight in your shoulder. Tighter the better.
But it's not going to come up. All of that.
Nice and tight. All right.
Straight back into the hips. Okay, so.
All the way back. There you go. 4 more, man. There you go. You're almost halfway there. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Suck it
Hold
up,
on tight.
Brian.
There's 2 more.
2 more, buddy. 2 more.
You got a headshot, man. You're doing good. Just make sure you put it in your shoulder, though. I know it kind of sucks. Last one. Last one. You're almost there.
1 more, buddy.
Last one, man. Muscle through it. You got it.
Right.
Nice.
I know, it's a lot of kick there.